Hello y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Hasbin Hotel thing, ringtone. So first you're going to go on to Google or download it. Then you're going to type up ringtones. I spelled it for you. Then you're going to go to free ringtones or just, Zedek or Zedek. And then press continue browser. If you have to sign in anything, yeah. After that, you're gonna type in Hasbin Hotel ringtones. I just messed up right here, so don't even worry about it. Yeah, don't type this in, y'all. Don't type it in. I just messed up. But yeah, type in Hasbin Hotel ringtones. It's right there. I spelled it wrong. I'm so bad at spelling, bro. If an ad comes up, just press, close. So then, after you type up Hasbin Hotels, you go and type up ringtones. Okay, after you do that, it should pop up Hasbin Hotel ringtones.
I would like to inform you that your magical ringing device is vibrating in your pocket. The static is quite annoying. Pick up your phone!
And if you want a different one, yeah. But then you're going to press download. And you're going to have to wait, so give me a second. Okay, we're back. Okay, when it gets to 1, don't press save to drive. Press download and then press open. Now, as you can see, it says Hasbin_Hotel. And then you're going to press that little down arrow. And then it's going to say save to files. Press that. And then you're going to press save, the blue button or whatever. And then you're going to press done. And then you're going to scroll off to that and go to your files. And then there you go. I'm going to post the rest because I'm going to show you how to put it on there. So yeah. But yeah, that's how you do it. And yeah, y'all have a great day. Happy New Year. And bye. I really hope this helped.